Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Well, you know what? I guess that you already in your computer since 7 p.m., right?
Yeah.
Because you are trying to call me in Zoom, right? You're trying to enter my class. But I cannot accept you in because teacher has another student at that time, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? I'm laughing because in every class that I have, you always try to enter. So I'm laughing because I said, "Oh, Anyan is very early. Maybe she's using the computer right now. That's why you're trying to enter my class, okay? But at those times, teacher has another student, okay? All right, so Anyan, for tonight, you are going to have your first test, okay? So don't worry because this is very easy. And if you do not understand the things that you have to do, just ask me, okay? All right, so are you ready, Anya? Let's begin your test.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, wait. Okay, so in the first part of the exam, Anyan, you are going to have the listening part. Okay, so it says here, Anyan, task number 1, listen and draw lines. There is one example. Okay, so Anyan, do you know how to draw a line on your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So let's go. Listen very carefully before you answer, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's begin.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Look, Grandpa. My friend's family are in the garden.
What's your friend's name?
It's Sally. Can you see her? She's got glasses.
Is she opening a present?
That's right. It's her birthday today.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
That boy's carrying the birthday cake. It's very big.
That's Nick.
He's not walking very carefully with it.
I know. Oh dear.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can see a sound.
2.
I can
Is that
listen sound.
Again, you can.
I can listen a sound.
Okay, do you want to listen one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Look, Grandpa. My friend's family are in the garden.
What's your friend's name?
It's Sally. Can you see her? She's got glasses.
Is she opening a present?
That's right. It's her birthday today.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
That boy's carrying the birthday cake. It's very big.
That's Nick.
He's not walking very carefully with it.
I know. Oh dear.
2.
Is that boy your friend's brother?
Okay, so where's your answer number 1? Do you know how to put a line, Anyan?
can listen again.
You want to listen again one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Look, Grandpa. My friend's family are in the garden.
What's your friend's name?
It's Sally. Can you see her? She's got glasses.
Is she opening a present?
That's right. It's her birthday today.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
That boy's carrying the birthday cake. It's very big.
That's Nick.
He's not walking very carefully with it.
I know. Oh dear.
2.
Is
Okay. So do you have your answer? Number 1, Anian? Do you know how to put a line? Just tell me if you do not know. You want me to help you? Okay, very good. Next one, number 2.
that boy your friend's brother?
Which boy?
He's sitting on the mat.
Oh, yes. And he's playing with a toy truck.
That's right.
That boy's name's Ben. He's Sally's cousin.
3.
Okay, number 3.
I know that man. Look at his hat.
You mean the man with the sandwiches?
Yes. He's called Paul.
He's got lots.
Yes. People get hungry at parties.
4.
And is that your friend's mum?
The woman who's cleaning the table?
Yes.
That's right. Her name's Mary.
That table's very dirty.
Yes, that's because it's always outside.
5.
Look at that woman.
Where?
She's putting something in the tree.
Oh, that's Aunt Jane. She's putting some lamps there for this evening.
What a nice party.
I'll listen to part 1 again.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to part 2, Anian. Okay, wait. All right, so in part 2, this is also a listening task. Okay, it says here, task number 2, listen and write. There is one example. Okay, so here, Anian, I am going to play an audio file again, and then you have to write your answer on the blank. Okay, can you do it?
Yeah.
All right, wait a minute, because teacher have to write your answers in my notebook. Okay, so let's begin.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
2.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
Three.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
4.
Where can we buy food for them?
At the zoo store,
Where's that?
next to the cafe.
Next to the cafe? Okay. I'd like to go and do that.
5.
Can we eat at the zoo?
You've got your lunch with you, I think.
Yes, my mom gave it to me.
Well, you can eat that at the zoo, and then in the evening on the train, we can buy burgers and lemonade.
Burgers and lemonade? Great! My favorites.
Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to task number 3. Okay, so it says here, Anian, task number 3, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. Okay, so can you read the example, Anian?
The people in this sometimes sing or play a band.
All right, a band. Okay, so number 1, Anian. This person helps people who aren't well in the hospital.
A nurse.
Okay. All right, so number 2, Anian. Some people put milk or lemon in this drink.
A tea.
All right, so a tea. Number 3. Okay, number 3. There are lots of cars, buses, and people in this busy place.
A city. No.
What? There are lots of cars, buses, and people in this place.
A city.
Okay, a city. Next one, number 4. You can put cheese or meat between bread to make this.
A sandwich.
All right, so number 5. This is part of a farm where you often see vegetable plants.
A field.
It's a field, okay. All right, so next one, Aniel, let's go to task number 4. All right, so task number 4, it says here, read the text and choose the best answer. There is one example. So example, what did you do last night, Daisy? So the answer is letter A, watch the television. Okay, So number 1, Anyan, did you see the film about pirates? Did you see the film about pirates?
Yeah. B.
Letter B. What's letter B? Can you read it?
Yes, it worked.
Okay, so number 2. Which was your favorite pirate in the film?
I.
Letter?
I.
Again?
Letter A.
Letter A. Can you read letter A, Anyan?
I liked it best.
Okay, one more time. Can you speak louder?
I liked it best.
Okay, letter A. I like it best. All right, so next one, Anyan, number 3. Was he the one with long curly hair? Was he the one with the long curly hair?
I.
Okay, can you read letter A, Anyan?
No, he hadn't.
Okay, so number 4. I like films which are funny.
Letter A.
Letter A. What's letter A?
Two.
Me too. Okay, number 5. How about going to see Treasure Train at the cinema? That is very funny.
B.
What's letter B? Can you read it? What's letter B?
No.
What letter?
Letter A.
Letter A. Okay, what's letter A?
9.
Okay, number 6. Let's ask Fred to go with us.
Letter B.
Okay, can you read letter B?
Okay. That's it.
Okay. So next one, Anyan, let's go to speaking part. All right, so Anyan, task number 5. Look at the pictures and describe several differences. Okay, so now Anyan, you have to explain your answers, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then later on, after you encircle the answers, you have to explain it to me, okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, now explain your answers, Anyan. Anyan, can you explain your answers?
Picture 1, the girl lay a bowl. Picture 2, the girl lay a ball,
Mhm.
a pop toy. Picture 1 have 2 clouds.
Mhm.
Picture 2 have a sun. Picture 1 have 5 feet.
5 fish.
Picture 2 have 4 feet.
Mhm.
Picture 1, the girl have a watch.
Okay.
Picture 1, the girl don't have a watch.
Mhm.
Picture 1, 2 glass in front of the rock. Picture 2 glass behind the rock.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Is that all? Okay, very good. So next part, Anyan. So let's have task number 6. All right, so in task number 6, Anyan, you have to continue the story, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so can you read the first part of the story, Anyan? Freds, can you read it?
Friends at home with his family. They in the kitchen and mom's giving him his dinner.
All right. Oh, wait a minute, Anyan. Okay, so how about picture number 2? How about picture number 2?
Friends and
Tell me something about picture number 2.
Friends and her sister and his sister eating a
Eating.
few.
Okay.
Fred's father and Fred's mother they're talking.
Mm-hmm.
Fred eating Fred eating father's food. Father's food. Fred's father don't have a food. Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
That's a very short answer. Okay, well, anyway. Wait, I will put here. All right. So, Anian, that is the end of your test for tonight, okay?
Yeah.
And now, Anian, so we still got some more time here. Okay, wait for me. I will just write here. Okay, so wait for me, Anian, because I'm going to open one more lesson for you, okay?
Yeah.
Wait for me.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Là Nina, đây là Pintu và đây là bố mẹ của mình. Bố chính là đại gia. Hôm nay mình và cả gia đình của mình sẽ có thể tham một video cùng với nhau. Bắt đầu từ ngày hôm nay, mình với cả gia đình của mình sẽ quay lại những khoảnh khắc của mình và Pintu lớn lên. Mở đầu video ngày hôm nay, mình và bố mẹ sẽ làm một video Q&A. Video Q&A và và xin cảm ơn tất cả các bạn khác, tất cả các khán giả đã gửi đến cho mình câu hỏi. Và bây giờ chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu thôi. Đầu tiên, câu hỏi đầu tiên này. Cái này con không trả lời được đâu, con trả lời được đấy thôi. Hai bé tên hỏi là gì? Tên hỏi là Hồ Khánh Hà. Còn con bé này tên là Hồ Quang. Và tại sao bố mẹ lại đặt tên như thế?
Nga là Hồ Khánh Hà là bà nội đặt tên cho Nga. Còn Hồ Tú Anh là tên Hồ Tú Anh là tại sao không có câu trả lời? Câu trả lời đi.
Hồi xưa
Vậy hoặc là bố mẹ đã tôn trọng quyết định của con đặt tên Hồ Tú Anh, mặc dù là Hồ Tú Anh và Hồ Khánh Hà thì hai chữ vẫn tên của con.
có cái hồ mà
Có chữ Hồ không thôi nhưng mà hai chữ tên liên quan.
có thể
Ok rồi
nhưng
nhé.
mà nó không có thể là bố Chu biết tên thật của bố mẹ là gì?
Rồi.
Bố Minh Văn mẹ Chu làm bố gì? Bố Chu giỏi lắm. Đây rồi giỏi quá. Rồi đây là bố sẽ là gì? Rồi. Giỏi quá. Bố và mẹ. Bố và mẹ là cái gì? Bố là
Bố là tên gì của nó đây này.
Okay, Anian, let's continue now.
yeah.
All right, so Anian, can you read the title of the lesson for tonight?
Unit 15 at our school.
Okay, at our school. All right, so Anian, you can see here, it says here letter A, choose the correct words below and write them on the lines. All right, so Anian, you don't have to write your answer, okay? Just tell me your answer, all right? So let's begin. The example is, you can play different kinds of this on a guitar or piano. The answer is music. Okay, so number one, Anian, can you read and say your answer?
This is on the classroom where and the teacher writes on it.
What's your answer?
A board.
All right, so the answer is a board, correct? Number two?
These are in books and often have numbers on them at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Things
What?
this
Can you read your answer? Can you say your answer, Anian? These are in books. Okay, what's that? Can you say it?
I don't know.
Okay. You pronounce that word as pages.
Pages.
Okay, very good. Number 3.
When you make a mistake with your pencil, you need it.
Mm-hmm.
Rubber.
Okay, a rubber is correct. Number 4.
Some teachers put the end of correct answer in test.
Again, some teachers put this at the end of the correct answers in test. What's your answer?
Tick.
All right, tick. Next one, number 5.
We look at these 5 ropes and rivers and tells it a map.
Okay, very good. Maps is correct. All right, so you got 5 points in this activity. Perfect score. Okay, so next one, Anian. All right, so when you got a wrong answer, you will get crosses, right? And then when you get the correct answer, you will get a tick, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so take note of that. Okay, so now let's go in this part. It says here, letter B, read the story, write the correct words from A next to numbers 1 to 6. All right, so Anian, did you remember the pictures that you saw a while ago? Or you want to see again? Okay, I will let you see again.
Yeah.
Please, here, Anian. Please remember it. Music. Okay, maybe you can write it.
Yeah.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay. So here it says here. All right, so remember the pictures, okay? Because these will be your answers for the next activity, okay? Music,
Yeah.
board, maps, rubber, pages, ticks, pointed, talked, and happy. Okay, so next one, Anyan. All right, can you read the story and then say your answer on the blank, okay?
On Tuesday morning, the music teacher, Mr. Skip, came into Nick's class and said, "Hello, I've got a message
I've
for
got, where are you now?
you."
What are you reading now? Message?
message
Mm-hmm.
for you from Miss Street.
Mm-hmm.
She don't like you to answer the questions on
What's your answer? You choose your answers from the pictures. Hmm?
Begins.
Okay, so wait a minute, Anyan. Can you write your answer first on the blank? So that later on we can check it. Okay, can you write your answer? Okay, so what question here, Anyan? Which day of the week was it?
Tuesday.
It's
Tuesday.
okay, it's a Tuesday. So who was Mr. Skip, Anyan?
Nick.
Who was Mr. Skip? Who was him?
Nick.
Okay, so Mr. Skip was the music teacher. Okay, so next one. Where was Nick?
Student.
Where was Nick?
Class.
Okay, so he is in the class. Very good. Who was the message from?
Miss Street.
Again, who was the message from?
Miss Street.
Miss Sweet. Okay, very good. So now continue reading, Anyan.
Miss Street in school today. She talking on the radio about playing wood and picture games in school lessons. A very exciting. Miss
Mr. Skip.
Pointer.
Again, pointed.
Yeah.
All right, can you write pointed in the number 2? Number 2 blank. Pointed. Oh, you put letter D at the end.
Yeah.
Put a letter D at the end of the word. Okay. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, continue reading.
It skip pardon to some orange books. The
pointed to some orange books. The blank in those can help you. Okay, continue reading, Anyan. The again the. Can you write it, Anyan? Because I cannot understand it. The. Okay, you have to write your answer in number 3. Do you know your answer?
No.
Okay. Maybe, but you have written all the choices, right? Did you write it on your paper? Oh, now what do you think is the answer in number 3? The blank in those can help you, or you can find your answers on the internet, said Nick. So what do you think is your answer there?
Maps.
The maps, okay? Now, can you write maps on the number 3 line? Okay, continue reading.
The maps can help you, or you can find your answer on the internet. He said. Nick
Was what is it? Nick was?
Six.
Can you type your answer, Anyan? Nick was? Okay, Nick was 6.
Nick was picker. He loved working on computers. That evening, he found all the answers to mystery questions on one of his favorite recipes. He said when mystery come back to school,
She or she what?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, so let's continue this activity, Anian, on Friday again, okay? Because so you can think very carefully about your answers, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so good night now, Anian.
Good night, teacher.
All right, see you again on Friday.
Yes.